Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the black screen with cursor problem on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Option 1. Press these keys together on your keyboard. Windows plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B. Your screen may briefly flash, or you may hear a beep. This means Windows is restarting the graphics driver. Now check if your screen comes back. Option 2. If the black screen is still there, first press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. If the security screen appears, click the power icon in the bottom right corner. Now hold down the Shift key and click Restart. Your PC should restart and open the Windows recovery environment. If Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete doesn't work and you can't access the power menu, you'll need to force Windows into recovery mode. Press and hold the power button until your PC shuts down. Turn it back on, and as soon as you see the Windows logo, press and hold the power button again to shut it down. Repeat this process about 3 times. Windows should then automatically open the recovery environment. Once you see the recovery screen, select Troubleshoot and then Advanced Options. Uninstall updates. Here, you'll see 2 options. Uninstall latest quality update, uninstall latest feature update. Start with uninstall latest quality update. Follow the instructions on the screen and wait for Windows to finish uninstalling the update. After that, restart your PC and check if the black screen problem is fixed. If the problem is still there, return to the same Uninstall Updates menu and try uninstalling the latest feature update. If none of these methods work, the problem could be related to your graphics hardware or another hardware component. In that case, it's best to have the PC checked by a qualified technician. Hopefully, one of these methods fixed the Windows 10 or Windows 11 black screen with cursor problem. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.